Hey, what is up guys? It is Harrison Barron, the Millennial Entrepreneur. Now in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the secret to breaking the fear of creating content. Now, if you're anything like me, I remember when I first took out my camera and I was scared out of my mind to hit the record button. I thought all the eyes in the world are going to be on me. I'm going to be seen by billions of people on the internet and they're all going to judge me. I felt all of the pressure in the world coming down on me as soon as I hit the record button. Well, let me tell you, the secret is not going to be that, and that really doesn't even happen. What the secret is a small challenge that I recommend to all of my clients and non-clients, and it's pretty simple. It's create content every single day for 90 days. What that content is totally up to you. If it's creating TikTok videos, I typically tell people start out with 1 or 2 videos a day and work your way up to 3, 4, and 5 videos per day. If you're into writing, try writing 1 article every single day. If you're into videos, try doing a video every single day. Last year I did 120 videos in 120 days. It was going to be the death of me. However, it changed my channel drastically going forward. What I tell everybody is do this 90-day challenge. Whatever content, whatever platform you prefer, but the key is 2 things. 1, you have to be consistent. You should be doing this every single day. There should be no days off. I know it sounds kind of crazy and there's most things in the world you shouldn't do every single day, but you have to force it into your brain. That's benefit number 1. Benefit number 2 is by doing this every single day, you're gonna start to figure out what content works, what content you like to make, and ultimately, you're gonna come up with days that you don't have anything. And you have to get creative, and that is a beautiful part about this process. It's removing the idea of, well, I didn't have it written down. You might write down 25 ideas, and day 26, you're like, well, I don't have any more content left. This is where you get to start cranking those creative juices and getting into the habits of it. Now, there are plenty of benefits that come afterwards. 1, you're gonna be super comfortable making content. That's the nature of it. You're gonna be super comfortable on video, you're gonna be super comfortable on podcasts, you're gonna be super comfortable blogging. Whatever medium you choose, you just have to do it every single day. Now, the other benefit of that too is you're gonna start creating some ridiculously good content. Think about anything you've done in your life. The first, second, third, maybe even the 20th time you've done it, you might not have been that good. Think about maybe when you first started driving a car. You remember getting behind that wheel and kind of being really nervous about it. You might crash, something might go wrong, somebody might even hit you, and that would be horrible. But over time, you build up your confidence as you do it more and more and more, and every single day. At this point, cars are a very common part of people's lives, and they drive them literally every single day. Because of that, not only do you get better, but as you get older, insurance companies know, hey, you've been driving for a long time, you have a good record, we know that you're getting better at it. And that's, believe it or not, how they actually process that information. If you don't drive ever and you get your first license at 50, they're gonna be like, oh my God, he's never driven before. This could be a serious liability. But think about it like driving or riding a bike or riding a skateboard. You have to do it more than just the handful of times you started in the beginning. It takes a long time to get good at it. And the law of 10,000, if you've never heard, is kind of strange. I thought about it a little while back. The law of 10,000 isn't doing something 10,000 times and you become a master, right? Because if you flip pancakes every single day, you might become a master pancake flipper, but you're gonna run into certain challenges and certain scenarios that you were not ready for. And that's where the law of 10,000 really shines, is the fact that you weren't ready for it, but you have to figure it out because it's part of what you do. So some days I've recorded and my audio and video have been tremendously awful. On other days, my podcasting, maybe I didn't have the energy for podcasting or recording, or maybe I didn't think that I was good at English. Heck, I almost failed out of English, and now I write more than anybody else I know that I went to school with. These are all things that changed after I started making content. Now I get more publicity than anybody. I had a client call me up. He goes, Harrison, why didn't you tell me you were famous? I go, what do you mean? He goes, I Googled your name. I was so nervous, but then I Googled my name and I saw all of the podcasts that I've been on, all the guest posts that I've been on, all of the content, the videos, the articles, everything that I've ever created or been a part of is starting to show up. And because people know that I'm more than happy to be on a mic or in front of a camera or writing for them, people gravitate towards me because they know that not only am I going to be able to produce, but what I produce is going to be great for whatever avenue they're sharing it on. So I would never have been able to complete this had it not been for my original 90-day challenge. Now, I started off slow when I first started off. I started with a video every couple weeks, and then I started to increase it to a video every week, and then I started to increase it to multiple videos a week, and then at one point I just said, you know what? Instead of doing every other day, I'm gonna go hit it for 90 days every single day. And that content still to today is some of my most viewed content. I didn't care about the shiny effects or the really interesting, captivating video. What I focused on was just providing great value to my audience, and that alone has drawn hundreds of people, hundreds of subscribers on this channel. I hope it's more than that by the time you're watching, but also thousands of visitors to my website, thousands of visitors to my business website. I'm in the top 3% on podcasts in the world. All of this because I just said, you know what, I'm gonna go put myself out there. So if you're struggling with making content, sit down. The fears are gonna be there, trust me, but you just have to hit record or start and post it. Let it be. Don't even tell anybody that you did it. Let the algorithm show it. Your first videos, your first websites, or your first blog posts, or your first podcast are gonna get almost no attention unless you share it out. Use that to your advantage. Understand that not many people are gonna listen to it. And over time, these algorithms are gonna start to show you around, and it's going to benefit you, it's gonna benefit your business, and you'd be so surprised with the random skills that you end up picking up. I had no idea that I was gonna be really good at video, but I happen to be really good at video, and now people think I'm an expert. I know how to work a camera, and I figured out all these settings. I know how to do podcasts because I started a podcast, and that was my original outlet. Whatever it is for you, start to do that, and everything else is gonna fall into place. I promise you, it's the scariest 90 days of your life, but once you start, I want you to comment down below what you're starting and how many days you plan to go for. And if you're worried about doing 90 days, start with 10 or start with 15 or 30 and then work your way up over time. That is going to progress and progress and progress. You might realize, oh my God, I did 90 videos in 90 days and that was cake. I'm gonna do 120 or 150 videos, and it'll just keep growing and keep growing and keep growing, and so will your followers, your subscribers, your business income, whatever you decide to sell or service. Overall, gonna make you a better person, a better business owner, and is going to help grow in so many directions. Other than that, I love you guys. I hope this was a quick little helpful video. I'll see you guys later.